In this video, I'm going to show you how to make manual deposits into your clients' wallets. So if we navigate over to our wallets over here on the left-hand side, I've added a user to the system, a good old Bob, and you'll see that just by being a contact in the system, he is given his own wallet. So if we click in here, you can see what his wallet balance is and what currency this wallet is in. You can also go ahead and add extra wallets for this user if you update the localization settings. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to navigate over here to setup, and then I'm going to come here to my system settings. I'm going to come to currencies, and I'm going to enable multi-currency, and I'm going to hit save. So now I can navigate back to my wallets, and let's go back to Bob. And now I can start adding different currency wallets. So I can come in here. So let's go ahead and select something like, scroll a little bit further. Let's go and choose euros, and we can go ahead and hit save. And you'll also notice that when I do add an account, I can choose whether or not I want this to be the account that this contact receives commission in. But we're just going to leave it as is so that they receive commission in the US dollar account. So what does this look like from your user's perspective? Well, let me go ahead and log in as Bob. And I'm just going to go ahead, log in bob@demo.com. And we're going to enter his password. And then I'm going to navigate to account and wallet. And from here, Bob can see and manage his wallets. So he can go ahead and add another account if he wants to. So let's go ahead and look for maybe a GBP. There we go. And hit submit. And he can click into these and manage them as he wants to. He can change whether or not this is his commission account, and he can access his account numbers here as well. So now let's go ahead and make a manual deposit into one of his wallets. So we're going to navigate back to the admin area. All right, so I'm going to come here to actions, and I'm going to click deposit funds. And I'm going to make sure that I'm depositing $100 US into this account, and I can choose which account I would like to deposit it into. So if I choose the GBP, then I can choose how much I want to deposit into that account. And I can also choose the currency. So I can look for GBP and deposit £100 instead. But I'm going to go ahead and stick with US dollars and make sure that this is in US dollars too. I do want to note that if you do deposit $100 US into the euro or pound wallet, then the system is automatically going to transfer that into the correct currency. So you'll see that it's $100 US and Bob is going to receive 86.66 pounds, euros, sorry, in this case. But let's just keep it simple. Oh, not pounds. Let's just put it in the US dollar account. We're paying US dollars. I can then add a description. So I'll just say $100 deposit. And then I am going to hit my confirmation here, and I'm going to send that money off to Bob and hit save. You'll then see that that's been deposited into his account. We can see the activity here, and we can see the activity within the wallet itself. From Bob's perspective, he can also see that that $100 has been deposited into his USD wallet. And if he clicks in here, he can see the same activity. So that is how you can make manual deposits into your users' accounts. In the next video, I'm going to show you how you can create commission deposits. I'll see you there.